Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're fixing that XCIPTV situation on your Fire Stick 4K Max, Fire TV Cube, or on N boxes or Android TV boxes. And especially if you have looked at my video the other day, you will see that you can install Android TV on your computer. Quick disclaimer, listen carefully. This video is for educational purposes only. These are media players apps. They do not provide any content, channels, or subscription. You must use your own legal playlist or authorized IPTV services. Always respect copyright laws in your country. I do not promote illegal streaming. If you're ready, hit the like button and let's get started. First thing first, make sure you have the official downloader app from the Amazon App Store or Google Play Store. Go to Setting, My Fire TV or Developers option, Apps from unknown sources, turn on for downloader. Now open downloader. This is your main tool for installing apps safely. Number 1, best overall, of course, is TiviMate. Download code is 549628 or 272483. This is the cleanest player right now. Smooth EPG favorite. Number 2 and easiest for beginners, IPTV Smart Stars Pro. Code is 78522. Very simple layout, looks like most providers' apps, works across all devices. Number 3, the original XCIPTV, code 537992. Still solid and reliable. Other good options, Perfect Player and OTT Navigator. Once installed, open the app, choose Extreme Code or Entry Playlist, enter the provider's details, username, password, server URL. That's it. These are just players. Use legal sources. Tell me in the comments down below what devices are you using, Fire Stick, Cube, or what was it, Onin, or the Husham Stick. See you in the next one, guys. Stay safe and happy streaming. Don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.